Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back. I had a nice haircut today after a long time, good 3.5 months, feeling nice and fresh. Okay, let's get back to our discussion. Uh, we were discussing about, we already discussed about two important major topics. One, types of owners. We finished eight different types of owners. The second major topic was hotel consultants. So we finished around seven subtopics under hotel consultants as well. They are the types of works they do, the the scope which usually the consultants take over. Today we will start with hotel project, where the consultant's role and the importance of consultant's role in which areas. This will be important and good for the owners who are not from the industry and who doesn't understand hotel technicalities. So hotel owners who are not technically sound should hire consultant, because these areas are very important. If a technical person is not along with you, you are definitely going to fail. There is no looking back. 110% I would guarantee that there is a failure if a technical person is not there in the areas which I am going to talk about. Okay, let us start now. The main we before starting the project, we have the pre-project requirement, which I have already spoken in my previous chapter. Today we will talk about all those things are sorted out, and we'll require somebody to do the hand holding from the time when the project starts. Importance, very important point is architecture brief. Now, how will you prepare a brief? Who prepares the brief? Architect is appointed. Architect should be given a brief. The right brief has to be prepared as per the initial investigation, whatever we have understood with the feasibility XYZ. Today we need to prepare the architecture brief. The architecture brief has to be prepared by a hotel consultant who understands the subject well. Second, the concept brief and the vision statement. These two documents are also very important, where the consultant will play a crucial role. Then there is an execution plan which needs to be prepared. Now, execution plan has to be prepared by a technical person. Obviously, if the plan is not prepared by the hotelier or a consultant, then how will you move ahead? Somebody should be there to plan it out, right? So execution plan is a major thing. Once again, facilities planning. While you are doing the project, facilities planning is also important. The project planning and the timeline. The project planning and the timelines for the project people who are going to execute the project on the ground, on the floor, with the bar charts. So again, also all these points are very important, and somebody who has not done the project, hotel project, or somebody who doesn't understand all these things, there is a problem. I will say developers will understand this language. Developers will know the bar charts and project planning and the other things, but there are technicalities and nitty-gritties into every aspect. In terms of hotel, you are not going to do a residential typical plan or a commercial office. You are going to do a typical hotel. The hotel has a lot of extra facilities. You can say the back of the house, the front of the house. Back of the house is the backbone, backbone of the hotel. So it's very, very important. Your statement of design, your room mix and your facility mix, your BOH planning, then coming to your technology, approval of GFC drawings as per the requirement, coordination of site meetings. So I can talk for hours together. Having limited time, so these are the major areas where the consultant role has to be played. The consultant has to play his role. So my whole suggestion is to the hotel owners, ensure that hiring a consultant will always pay you in the long run. It is not an expense, it is an investment, as I usually say. At the end of the day, you will get a brand compliant hotel. Okay, it is better to drive the route you know. In case if the route is unknown, take along a chauffeur, and the chauffeur is a consultant who could drive you to the right place on the right time. Summing up, signing off. If you like my video, press the like button. Subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon. Stay connected.